This is the one tool which will fix your high memory usage issue. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to speed up your Windows, here is a quick fix. So for this, you have to visit to a Git link which will be provided on the description below. So first of all, open it on your browser. The tool is called as Windows Memory Cleaner. So to install, you can directly go to the releases, and then if you scroll down a bit, you will see a section called as Assets. From there, you have to install the .exe file for Windows Cleaner. You will get an interface like this once installed. You do not have to make any changes on the left side, but you can change some options on the auto optimization. After changing, you can just scroll down and click on Optimize button, and you will notice a vast change on your memory usage. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.